Well, I got good news and bad news. The good news is the TRS-80 Model 2 keyboard is repairable. The bad news is the TRS-80 Model 2 keyboard is repairable. These little discs, here are supposed to have a metal cover on them, and on the back a foam pad. That metal cover makes contact with these contacts here on the circuit board, but as you can see, all the pads have deteriorated, every single one of them, all the way across, and that's why none of the keys work. It's a major catastrophic failure of the entire keyboard. Now, these can be replaced, but it's very extremely tedious and time consuming, much like that memory card I rebuilt. That's going to take some time, lots and lots of time, because each one of these things have to come apart. You undo the key, and then this white plastic piece inside slides out. Then we can rebuild it. I might be able to do it without taking I might be able to do it without taking them out of this one. Yeah, see, I can push that up, then replace that pad. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, all of them have to be replaced. I'm going to check the model. This is the Model 2 keyboard. I'm going to check the Model 12 keyboard and see if it's got the same problem. Hey, this is the Model 12 keyboard. The difference is mostly this F pad over here. The numeric keypad is different. Otherwise, the connector and everything else is the same. This is a much cleaner shape. So all these screws, I marked spots where all these screws go, because, well, this one, see, it's got an extra hole here. You don't want to put a screw there, and you don't want to put a screw there. There's nothing there for it to go into. So I'll mark all the screw holes with a black mark. We get all these screws out, and then we can take the circuit board off the actual keyboard. Something else of notice, this is made by Keytronics, or Keytronic, and made in 1983. Looks like January 8th, 1983. Pretty nifty. Okay, well, thankfully, all the screws are the same size except for this one. And that's the only one that went there. All the other screws are marked. Go ahead and lift this off now. And exactly what I thought. Every one of these is going to have to be replaced. And that'll have to be cleaned, of course. Wow. I had no idea. No idea they made the keyboards this way. I thought Compaq was the only, forgive me, the only idiots that built a keyboard that would deteriorate over time. Oh well. Maybe not idiots. Maybe that's all they had at the time. But you can see there the foam has just deteriorated. It's come apart. And then the metallic material has rubbed off. So, or is corroded, or either one. Take your choice. So, both these keyboards can be repaired. I just gotta I think there used to be a kit online that you could order, and repair these keyboards, and I'm gonna kind of have to search and find that again. I suppose you could do this with aluminum foil and some sticky tape, but anyway, I'll bet if I flip this upside down, all these things will fall out. Yep, they sure did. They're not supposed to fall out. Anyway, yep. Oh, they're kind of green, so yeah, maybe moisture got in there and helped mess all that up. So the good news is it's repairable. The bad news is it's repairable. Yay.